Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix weak signal and boost your network strength on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. So if you're having trouble with weak network signal, here are a few simple fixes you can try. First of all, go to Settings, Network and Internet, and toggle airplane mode and turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and often solves temporary signal issues, but not always. Next, if possible, move to a location with better coverage. Sometimes just stepping outside or moving closer to a window can make a difference. If the problem continues, reset your network settings. Just go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and click here, this button, and it will reset your internet. Don't worry, this won't delete your data and you'll reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. Another useful trick is to switch your network mode from 4G to 5G. If you have a modern router, it will provide you a normal Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi. So you can try to connect to 5G Wi-Fi or to 4G. Sometimes a lower or higher network mode can actually give you a stronger, more reliable signal. And finally, if all else fails, contact your mobile carrier. There may be a temporary outage or tower maintenance in your region. With these steps, you should be able to boost your network connection and stay connected more reliably. So thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.